We captured these bots out past the old factory.
Good. Scrap them immediately.
Wait, no, we're prisoners from grief.
Really? How fortunate for both of you. You two, take them away. Vector, stay here.
What is it, sir?
I need you to prep 2 teams. Soon, Grief will send aliens to recapture the prisoners. We need alien technology, so I want you to take the prisoners out to the scrap field. Use them as bait. Once the aliens show up, kill as many as possible.
But what if they're lying about being prisoners of grief?
I'll take care of that myself. Stop right there!
I come in peace.
Who are you?
I don't know who I am. I woke up in a scrap field days ago, and some bot found me, and I'd been following him until he got captured.
That sounds like Anak. He's a local weapons dealer who captures any robot he comes across and recycles them into weapons. He's bad news. Anak has assigned a very important mission for us. We need you and a few other robots to take one of the prisoners to a secluded area and wait for aliens to show up. When they do, kill them.
This is all your fault. Once they find out you're not from grief, we're both dead. Well, genius, you're actually from grief. They'll just kill me or something. I hope so.
It's time to go.
Hey,
Move it. Hit the lights. The objective today is to kill an alien. That's all we need, and then we're out. So get ready. He could show up any minute. Fire! Prisoner got away. That's fine. We got what we came here for. Sir, come in, please.
The aliens haven't showed up. This robot was lying.
Abort mission.
Yes, sir. Let's go. It's time to get back.
I must get my friend back. He saved me when I woke up, so I owe him.
Come with me. There's a town straight ahead. Soon it's going to be raided by some of Anak's men. If you go there and maybe capture one, you could get some answers and maybe find where he's hiding out.
Would you come with me?
What?
I could give you my pistol.
And your rifle?
I guess.
We leave tomorrow.
You have deceived me. I'm surprised you would lie to me. This does not have to be your end, however. I am gracious. I now extend my hand. Will you join me?